secret to success. Success loves speed. Now we have another product here. We have an advertising product. This was very, very popular until recently. But this is what we call our advertising program. It's very, very simple. If you have a business or a product to market, we can get you traffic. We can bring customers to have a look at your offer, to have a look at your product, to have a look at your website, to have a look at your business. And of course, it's up to you to convert that business into paying customers. So if you own a hotel or you own a car wash selling some products, why not advertise on our platform and we will send customers to look at your website? That's what businesses need. Businesses need traffic. We offer traffic to your website. If you're not converting this business into dollars, into money, that's a good exercise. That tells me your website's not good enough, or it tells me you need to spend more money on marketing, or you need to update your website if you're not converting business, or maybe you don't have a good offer. You know, let's say you had a restaurant and you put it on this platform and your offer was if 2 people eat, the kids eat for free. Well, guys, everybody gets hungry, and if I'm passing your door and I see, wow, I know this place, I've seen it advertised, let's try this. If I remember right, kids eat for free. Well, can you see how you converted me into a customer because of your marketing? We bring you traffic. It's up to you to convert business. Now, for every $50 you spend, we send you 800 customers to have a look at your website. So if you want to sell products online, this is a great platform for marketing. Now, there's another part to it. If you would like to look at some of our other advertisers, then you can qualify for some revenue. What we do is we take all the revenue in and we share it with our advertisers. You must watch 10 ads a day. So here's one here. This is a weight loss company. They're advertising on our platform. If this is something you're interested in, by all means, go in and support the advertiser. You don't have to buy anything, but by all means, go in there and do it. The next advert, you have to watch 10 of these a day if you want to make some money. We have a restaurant here. The next one is an electronics company. We have many different companies. This guy is a driving instructor. So he's looking for business. Again, if you need lessons and this driving instructor's in your area, by all means, go and support our customer. Here's another restaurant. This one's close to where I live. Again, next time I'm in this town, I'm going to try this restaurant out. Why? Because I'm going to support our customers. Here's a massive company. This is a public company. It's looking for customers for gas, electricity, and telecommunications. We have charities advertising. You can advertise any business, any product. If you don't have a business or a product, you could even market your own Facebook page if you wanted to build new customers or find friends. So there's plenty you can do. Very easy to do, guys. And it takes about 5 minutes a day. You're already watching adverts on YouTube. You're watching adverts on magazines. You're seeing them you're listening to them on the radio. They're popping up on television. Why not do it here and get it? It's very, very simple. And of course, if you want to bring us some customers, there is additional ways you can make money as well, where you can get right up to 15% commissions. A very, very clever program.